My unboxing of my new Rubik's Cube I got for Christmas. Right here. This is the new Rubik's Cube, not the classic, but it still has the classic colors. So I'm going to open it. This is my first unboxing for YouTube. It's more of an unpackaging than an unboxing because it's not a box. Well, here we go. I'm going to cut. Find the cut. Oh. There we go. Cut. 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 There we go. Cut. Okay, cut. Okay, got it open. Alright, got it open. Here's the cube. Here's the Rubik's stand. The original didn't came with this. A Rubik's stand, you can stand it up. Okay, this is what you do. You turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. There. Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. There. Turn it around, turn it around. There. There you go. Yep, that's the way the Rubik's Cube works. I know it's not the really way it really works, but I didn't have time to do a full video on it. Later on, I'll show you how to really work a Rubik's Cube.